Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Dropbox Smart Sync for efficient storage management, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin setting up Dropbox Smart Sync, first, ensure you have the latest version of the Dropbox application installed. Open the Dropbox application by clicking on its icon in the system tray or menu bar. Once the application is open, sign in using your Dropbox account credentials. After signing in, locate the Preferences option by clicking on your profile picture or initials in the upper right corner. In the Preferences menu, navigate to the Sync tab. Look for the Smart Sync section within the Sync tab. Make sure the Smart Sync feature is enabled by checking the appropriate box. Next, you will want to set your default Smart Sync settings for new files. You can choose to keep new files online only or local, depending on your storage needs. To manage specific files or folders, open your Dropbox folder on your computer. Right-click on any file or folder you wish to adjust. In the context menu, hover over the Smart Sync option. You will see options to change the sync status to local or online only. Select online only for files you don't need immediate access to. Select local for files you frequently use and need access to at all times. To check your storage space, click on your profile picture again and select Preferences. Here you can view how much space you are using and you can also access your Dropbox settings through the Dropbox website for additional management. Using Smart Sync efficiently can help optimize your storage management, keeping your files accessible while preserving hard drive space. Now you are set up to use Dropbox Smart Sync effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.